It's Thursday, November 9th. Just following up on the SPY. For now, I had to take just a small gain on this trade and continue to watch it. I bought some puts here early in the session. We came down and took out that pre-market low. We were right on the edge on the daily chart of breaking through the midpoint of the prior day. This was a key inflection point. And once I saw it starting to come up a little bit, I had to just exit the rest of the position. So I bought these 440 puts at 302, scaled out at 375, and exited at near break even at 305 the rest of the trade. So a little small gain there. It's tough to say what's going to happen. I still see the structure on the day to the downside. We've kind of come up. We're getting a little bit of a shooter bar here. Bottom line is if if we can get a red bar heading down here and you wanted to try to see if we would attack the low of that day, and if once we get through there, then that kind of confirms the potential outside day to the downside. I guess you could try that with a tight stop wherever this high may be. For me, I just don't know at this point what's going to unfold today. We've had 3 days in a row, or 4 days in a row now. We've come down, and then we get the buy and come down, get the buy and come down, get the buy and come down. We're not getting that reversal. So, we're attempting it. There's no real risk involved. The opening structure leads us down, and then it kind of pops up. So, by exiting at the right time, scaling out, you can set up kind of a no-risk opportunity. Same thing yesterday. We had the downside, had a good trade, but then it comes back up at the end. So, given the opening price action, we're definitely starting down early, but we're not really following through to confirm it yet. I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of the day, this does come down and it fails, and it just seems like, another day of typical buying near the lows that doesn't really hold this time, because I think we're getting to a point where we reach that key target to the upside. And this could be an area where we finally get a deeper pullback into some of these gaps. But at this point, price action is saying no. So I don't know, what that is. Maybe if we hold up, either we're going to get that failure today, or if we can hold in here and not really follow through too strongly, we get the 2 down day tomorrow type of thing. But we have a long way to go in the session. So I just don't know what's unfolding here. And I just thought I'd update, kind of the way given the way I view structure, opening price action, the fact that we're still trying to anticipate a down move, but we're not really getting the up move. This is the only trading opportunities that exist according to, staying consistent with my approach. So we'll see what happens today. Again, I wouldn't be surprised if this holds here, midpoint of the first bar and starts lower, and this is kind of a failed rally. But, I'd have to kind of see the red bar starting down to attack those lows to kind of confirm that. And, if you want to be aggressive about it, like I said, on a secondary trade down here, if it should develop, then you can try that with a very tight stop. But we'll just have to see what unfolds. For now, I'm out with a small gain, just kind of watching.